data is a very important thing. What are you doing in the Punjab Assembly, and are you looking forward to take it down to at the grassroots level to the local government?
The first thing I think that we need to understand is that assemblies and parliament, especially at the provincial level and in Punjab, I would say, are not doing their job as they should be after the 18th Amendment. After the 18th Amendment, you've given so much power, resources to the government, and there has to be a commensurate sort of enhancement of oversight of the assembly. If the government is getting more resources, then the assembly should be more vigilant in terms of oversight, in terms of whether that money is being spent in a good way. If there is value for money, is the money spent bringing about sustainable change? So what we've done this time around, Punjab Assembly is developing a 5-year strategic plan, and the Speaker of the Assembly has constituted a Parliamentary Development Unit, and an SDG task force is in the works. These forums will serve as forums for strengthening the parliamentary oversight, strengthening the committee system of provincial assemblies. In the past, these assemblies or the committees would rely on the Speaker. The first time in Punjab, the Speaker has given its powers to the committees. So now the committees have suo motu powers, and they can call government departments, do stock takes of government line ministries and departments. And on SDGs especially, we intend to develop a data repository in the Assembly that supports all the committees in terms of assessing the performance of the departments and ministries.
Are you looking forward to take it down to the local government?
That is the most important piece of development in our country, and I think we are missing that. We are missing that dearly. It is a no-brainer that the smaller the size of a unit, the easier it is to manage. People of Pakistan also deserve a chance to be able to have the power and resources to fix their own problems. Now, for the amount of challenges we have, 1,000 or 1,500 people cannot fix this problem. You need at least 150 to 2,000 people who are working towards solving these problems, and that is only possible through a strong, well-funded, autonomous local government system, which is part of our constitution.
Thank you very much.